He's a full-time lineman and then takes off the month of May, June, and July. Give it up for Chad Bowman. And in the demo seasons, he's on the road doing anywhere from 30 to 40 demos a year. All the way from Red Deer, Canada, Chad Bowman. Next rider up, from up north, all the way from South Dakota, newly married and loving to ride his dirt bike. Give it up for James Carter! James is known as a technician on a dirt bike with super clean style and a lot of big extension on his tricks. So if you want to follow him on Instagram, it's Carter FMX. Check him out on there. Give it up one more time for James Carter, all the way from South Dakota. And our third rider of the night, all the way from Massachusetts. This guy absolutely slays on a dirt bike since 2015. Give it up for Brody Wilson. Brody Wilson is a true definition of a dirt biker. Truly eats, sleeps, and rides dirt bikes. Loves doing demos and is out here for you guys. Give it up one more time for Brody Wilson. And last but definitely not least, a close friend of mine resides from Butte, Montana, the town where Evel Knievel's from. I've been fortunate enough to know him for almost 17 years, riding motocross together, and then started freestyle motocross. And now he's known as one of the strongest freestyle demo riders in the world, doing more than 60 plus demos a year, traveling all over, loving to ride his dirt bike, married with 2 children, and now passing those dirt bike roots on to his children as well. All the way from Butte, Montana, give it up for Mr. Keith Sayers!
Do it!
At 6'5", his lengthy long tricks are making it good look. So without further ado, are you guys ready to get this show started? Alright, without what you've seen in front of you, like it was talked about earlier, 75 feet from ramp to ramp. And they're able to do that in about second gear, hitting anywhere from 22 to 24 miles an hour. And all the bikes they're riding are all fuel injected, 454 strokes. And again, all of them on several different brands, depending on who they're sponsored with. But I tell you what you're going to see is a little bit of evolution of FMX here. They're going to start it off, all their tricks are going to be upright, going from there. And then as the show progresses, these guys are going to take these bikes upside down. And then they're going to start doing further tricks while they're upside down. Without further ado, race fans, on the 97th running at Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, are you guys ready for round number 1? Chad Bowman going straight up top with the ruler, dropping the bike all the way down below and kicking his feet all the way up over his head. And a big one-handed Indy out of James Carter. Brody Wilson coming up next. Floating off all the way to the back, completely letting go of the bike, all the way to a rock solid. Keith Sayers, they're all 6'5", with the big Indian air. Bowman twisting it up all the way up there, about 35 feet in the air. Race fans, we're just getting warmed up. And a huge Shaolin bar hop. James Carter, like I said, the technician, hooking his legs all the way up and through the front of the bike. And then a side show for Brody Wilson. James Carter, race fans, looking for some love and clean stars with a huge clip hanger hanging on with nothing but his toes. Always has a smile underneath that helmet, going really big with the big double head grinning. And then with a big turn down. Are we having fun for the first night of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb? No better way to kick it off in 95-degree weather cooling down than freestyle motocross. Keith Sayers says, hey, little Captain Morgan. Everyone likes a little Captain Morgan. Chad Bowman floating all the way off to the back of the bike with a double grab Indy. the back with full extension is James Carter. And again, if you want to follow James Carter on Instagram, it's Carter FMS. Brody Wilson going all the way off the back with the rock out. Keith Sayers with the lazy boy. This thing upside down. Not only upside down, but a no-handed 75-foot backflip. Carter making the turn. And a big whip flip out of Carter going upside down as well. What's Brody Wilson have in store for us? He says, oh yeah, I'm going to follow suit to that. Keith Sayers going upside down, working on the whip flip as well. Race fans, what do you think of freestyle motocross in Colorado Springs? Oh, let's start over. Yeah, keep it loud, get your pictures out and have some fun. These boys are just getting warmed up. Carter floating all the way up the front, all the way at the back of the bike with that. Brody Wilson taking a little bit of old school and new school at the same time with the heel clicker flip. Keith Sayers with the big sideshow, 6'5", floating all the way off the bike. Here comes Chad. And a huge trick out of Chad Bowman. All the way from up north with the Cordova flip. Give it up for Chad Bowman! James Carter with the big no-handed flip, following that up. That's pretty good. Always smile underneath that helmet. Brody Wilson with huge extension. Legs curled all the way back, up, over the bike, over the head. And again, all you kids after the show, make sure you stick around for our meet and greet, take some pictures, ask some questions from these athletes. They're always here to talk to you guys, the fans. Chad Bowman with the big heel clicker flip. James Carter got his flip levers up, making the turn. On the count of three, race fans. 1, 2, 3. Carter absolutely going huge out for you guys. Cordova flip. Race fans, these guys are throwing down for you here. Yeah, nice little old school whip, traditional. Everyone loves a whip. How many motocross riders we got out here? We got race fans, motocross riders. He's smiling underneath that helmet, having fun out here. And a big clicker flip out of James Carter. Brody Wilson making the turn. Checking things going upside down. Here goes Keith Sayers on that turn. Keith looking for something on that one. On the count of three, let's give it up for the Canadian Chad Bowman. 1, 2, 3. With the big super flip out of Chad. Next up, it's James Carter. Throwing his body completely off the bike, getting back on just in time as he lands. That'd be pretty amazing for about 2 to 2.5 seconds of airtime to go completely off their bikes, upside down and back on. Race fans, what do you think of these riders out here for the 97th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb? Get your cameras ready. They're going to tighten it up. And when I I say, get your cameras ready. These guys are all going to jump one after another. They're going to tighten it up through here. Get ready and make some noise. Race fans, are we having fun? I said, are we having fun? I tell you what, there is no better way to kick it off here for the 97th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. We want to thank all the volunteers, everyone out here involved to make this event possible. Sam and Kathy, everyone out here, and especially all of our serving men and women and all our armed forces that allow us to live in America and live free. Thank you for your service. Are you guys ready for another one? I want you guys to be as loud as possible here. Get your cameras ready and let's make some noise. First rider up, Keith Sayers, followed by Chad Bowman, then Brody Wilson and James Carter. Colorado Springs, that's how freestyle motocross is done down here on a Friday night to kick it off for the 97th running of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. We wish all the competitors the best of luck out there, and Travis, we hope you handle business out there as well. Come home with the W.